What's going on, you guys? So in today's video I will show you how you can delete your Roblox account permanently. Now this is going to be quick and easy, so let's do this. So first, open up your web browser and go to roblox.com. Now once you're here, you need to log into your account. Now, once in here, you can go ahead and click on this cog icon here for your settings and go to settings. Now, once in here, you can scroll down and go to help. So it is going to take you to Roblox Help Center. And once you're in here, you can go to I need help with my account. And from the search box, you can just search delete and click here. How do I delete my account? Now, once you're here, you can click on support form and it will take you to the support page. Now, you need to enter your username and you need to type your first name and your email address that is linked to your account, and you need to confirm your email address. Now, down below, you need to describe your issue. So you can go ahead and provide what device you are having problem on or what device you're using. So basically you can just click PC if you're using PC, or Mac if you're using Mac. And here under type of help category, you can select data privacy request, and under it you can choose right to be forgotten. Now here you need to type your reasons why you want to delete your account, and after that you just click on submit. Now within 48 hours Roblox team is going to get in touch with you and you will be good to go. Alright, so that's it for this video, guys. I hope this is helpful. Thank you for watching, and